So students, are you ready? The first word, discern. D-I-S-C-E-R-N, discern. D-I-S-C-E-R-N. Second, strolling. S-T-R-O-L-L-I-N-G. Third, fourth. F-O-R-T-H. Fourth one, lect. L-E-P-T, lect. Fifth, caress. C-A-R-E-S-S. S-S. Six, beasts. B-E-S-T-S. 7, novice. N-O-V-I-C-E. 8, nonplus. N-O-N-P-L-U-S. 9, roar. R-O-A-R. The 10, chameleon. The pronunciation is chameleon. The spelling is C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N. So guys, these are the 10 words. You have to search the meaning because you are in class 10, the final year students. Now I am going to give you 5 questions on the basis of today's lesson or lecture. Note down question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem How to Tell Wild Animals? Question 2. The second stanza of the poem depicts which animal? The second stanza of the poem depicts which animal? Question 3. How does the bear kill man? How does the bear kill man? Question 4. Which continent is mentioned when the poet describes about lion? Which continent is mentioned when the poet describes about lion? And the 5th question is, give the synonym of hug, H-U-G, within single inverted comma, hug. Give the synonym of hug. So guys, this much of the day, and in the next class, today I have explained each and every stanza, and in my next class I will tell you about the theme or the central idea or about the depth of the poem. So you answer those questions, write the meaning of 10 words, memorize my lecture, listen to it carefully, and then answer the questions. So till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.